Want to grow at home. In this series, in this video, we will see an interesting medicinal plant. The name of the plant is Kulanjan, or otherwise known as lesser Galangal. In Tamil, it is known as Chitharathai. It's really a good medicinal plant. So botanically, the plant's name is Alpinia officinarum. It is traditionally used as an effective home remedy for cough, sore throat, chest congestion, and removing phlegm. It also helps burn fat and increase digestion. The rhizomes are highly useful in Unadi medicine, and this is used as a spice in Arab cuisines and Southeast Asian cookery. It is one of four plants known as Galangal. It is also useful in skincare, and the juice of this plant is applied topically for the treatment of many skin diseases. This plant is also useful in the treatment of hair and scalp. So try to have this plant in your garden, and you can get this plant from most of the nurseries, or you can raise this plant through rhizome also. So just to follow the general conditions, the number one, so keep the plant natural indirect bright light, and do not repot at least for minimum 1 to 2 weeks. So let the plant adapt to the new environment. Then water when topsoil feels dry to touch. So just to maintain the moisture condition. So after 2 weeks, so dig a hole somewhat shallower. Then place the plant in the hole and replace soil. Then gently tamping as you go. Then water sufficiently. Then allow the plant for the growth. So the plant starts growing, and each day maintain the consistent moisture in the soil. So whenever there's a requirement for water, sprinkle gently. Usually this plant starts grow within 1 to 2 weeks, and maintain the plant properly. So this is a very good medicinal plant. Try to grow at your home. It is easy to grow, and it is having lot of medicinal properties. So either you can purchase the plant from the nursery, or you just purchase the rhizome, and from there you can raise the plant. The plant is very easy to maintain. It can grow any condition almost. So this is a very good medicinal plant. Try to grow at your home. It is easy to grow, and it is having lot of medicinal properties. So either you can purchase the plant from the nursery, or you just purchase the rhizome, and from there you can raise the plant. The plant is very easy to. So this bunch of Chitharathai plant, the leaves smells very good. So we got this plant from a forest. So it grown naturally in the forest. We actually started from the rhizome. So it took 6 months from rhizome to plant. So we took very minimal care for this plant. So this bunch of Chitharathai plant, the leaves smells very good. So we got this plant. Subscribe our channel MG Naturals so that you can get a lot of information on the very rare medicinal plants and other plants. So this is the rhizome of the plant. It belongs to the family ginger, and it also grows like ginger and turmeric. So once you keep the rhizome in the soil and just pour the water, and within 3 to 4 weeks you can able to see the growth. For full grown plant you have to wait 3 to 6 months. One can get many number of plants from the rhizome. One can get many number of plants from the rhizome. One can get many number of plants from the rhizome. One can get many number of plants from the rhizome. One can get many number of plants from the rhizome. One can get many number of plants from the rhizome. One can get many number of plants from the rhizome. One can get many number of plants from the rhizome. One can get many number of plants from the rhizome. One can get, so in short, this plant is a must addition in your garden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. So we will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.